Hey guys, welcome back to another video from Cracked Housing Fab. Today we're going to work on the frame rails on Not So Simplicity. We're going to get the seat mounted on, so that'll be pretty neat. And we're going to work on getting the gas tank put on.
All right guys, thanks a lot to all of our new followers, and make sure to go down and hit that subscribe button, like, leave us a comment, and tell us how we're doing, and stay tuned for the video. All right, what's the first thing we're gonna work on today?
Well, I think we're going to work on the frame rails here. So we're kind of looking at this 3-inch steel, kind of added support here. We're going to center it on the main frame rail to kind of give it some kind of characteristics here. So I think this will look pretty good. Back here, we'll probably 45 it up to kind of give it a finished look because the seat will be mounted on here. Up here, this will kind of just weld in. We'll probably end up cutting a little wedge here to kind of fill this in and kind of make that look nice, because we'll have to kind of taper this down too a little bit. But then eventually we'll add diamond plate over the top of it to protect us from the chain and to kind of finish it off. But we'll wait to put that on until we're done working on the inside stuff. But that should work.
We have been getting some comments and some questions about how we're gonna make this frame a little bit stronger, because obviously that spans quite a ways without any extra bracing. So this should help sturdy it up quite a bit. So we're gonna get to work.
Oh, for sure.
Okay guys, so while Kurt's working on getting the frame set up, it turns out that if you buy a spool of wire and then you drop it on the ground, that happens. So I ran this morning to fill the welding bottle and to grab a couple more spools of wire, and I got it in my truck at my house and dropped it, it hit the ground and just exploded. So note to self, don't drop the welding spool.
Okay, so we got these cut and made to fit in here. That looks pretty good.
Yeah, it turned out pretty nice. I like the 45 cut on there.
I think that's pretty cool. Yeah, this will be perfect. So,
You got it center.
yeah. You want to jack it? I think we're good.
Yeah, throw a couple tacks and we'll check to make sure it's straight. Okay, so we went ahead and got the other side all welded up. This side I went ahead and measured out all for the bead to weld. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this welded up and we'll be good to go.
All right, so Sean finished welding up the frame rail here. It turned out really nice. So it kind of really stiffens it up. Kind of keeps the look of the tractor going here. Yeah, what do we have next, Sean?
All right, looks like next up, we're gonna figure out how to make the bracket. So they have, on the Canam seat, they have the 2 slots for the factory mounting. Like, I think that's for the adjustable. We're just gonna make some, use some flat stock in there and make a mount for it. And then obviously we'll get it figured out and centered, and we'll get that part mounted. So we'll probably have to make some sort of bracket that comes off here, or we'll look at it, we'll see what we're gonna do. So
Cool, let's figure it out.
all right, so I set the seat on here so we can kind of start to figure out where it's gonna end up, forward to back. And it will end up lean back a little bit, which is fine because it feels nice and comfortable. And our legs won't be perfectly straight, because I feel like they'll put a lot of pressure on your knees. So yeah, we're gonna kind of figure out the front to back and how far forward we want it, and that way we kind of know what's gonna be comfortable.
All right, so we got the seat set on here. We actually have it clamped in place. It took a little bit of time to get it square to the tractor because obviously we want it to be straight. We have the angle right, created a little spacer here because we're gonna have the diamond plate top on here later on that we wanna be able to slide underneath. But what we're gonna do for the mount is we're looking at coming up here with some square tubing at a little angle. We're gonna maybe come with 2 of them here up and then put a plate that'll go in this little groove, and that's where it'll be bolted. And then probably run a little support from the wedge back to here. But yeah, just a couple little brackets, do the same thing on the other side, and it should work out pretty good. All right, so we just got done making these cool little mounts on the bandsaw. The bandsaw cuts this stuff really nice. We got the 2 tacked on this side already. We got our angle on there going up to the seat, and then we're gonna cut some bar stock, which will actually slide in there, and that's what's gonna bolt to the seat. So it has a really cool look to it, and it's gonna be pretty strong. What do you think, Sean?
Yeah, I think that's pretty cool. I like the angle on there.
Yeah, it looks pretty cool. All right, so we got the mounts for the seats all tacked up. We went ahead and marked where the bolt holes are gonna be. So we'll be able to drill those. But yeah, we're gonna get the seat off. Take a look at what we got here.
This guy off here. Yeah, so that we can finish welding everything and then get the bolt holes drilled all at the same time.
And we just get all these up here.
But we think the setup turned out really cool. Actually, I like the way the angles and everything worked out. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, it looks good. So we can go ahead and finish welding these up and get the holes drilled.
Do you want to drill the holes now, or do you want to have me weld it up and then you can drill it, or?
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay, we'll weld it up first?
Yeah.
Sounds good, we'll do that.
That looks so sick.
This thing just gets better and better every time we work on it.
I know, that turned out perfect. All right, so we just got the mounts all welded on fully. We got the brackets, we got them drilled, so we'll get the seat on here.
This is an exciting part, that's for sure.
Yeah, this is what we've been waiting for.
I almost made another mistake.
These are always fun.
All right, yeah, this kind of starts to feel like we're kind of on the home stretch of like getting some stuff done and some major things done. Because as they say, 80% of the time is consumed by the last 20% of the stuff. So, yeah,
Oh,
this thing is solid.
I like it.
Once we tighten these down, this thing is not going anywhere.
All right, so we got the seat bolted in. It's pretty solid. Get the cushion in here. Man, that looks good. Give it a try, Sean.
All right, let's see how this thing fits. Oh yeah, this is sweet. Oh, this is gonna be awesome. We're power sliding around corners. All right, guys, we want to take a second to thank Mike from Mule. He gave us a shout out on his channel recently, and we're really thankful. He was very generous with doing that for us. We wanted to thank a lot of the guys that came over and checked out our channel and subscribed to us. So thanks a lot, guys. It's been awesome. Also, we picked up some stickers from Mule. They're super cool. We just wanted to let Mike know we support his channel, and if you haven't seen his channel or know who he is, you need to go check him out. He's building a thing called the Baby Busa bed. He's taking a 1300 Hayabusa engine, putting it in like a race car baby bed. Thing is going to be super cool. Also, he just finished his mini gravedigger build. Things like lifted, it's got big tires on it, and he had his kids run over a Barbie Jeep with it. So that was super cool. We've been just following his builds, and So yeah, we just wanted to take a second and say thanks, Mike. We appreciate it.
Yes, thank you. Next, we're gonna get started on the gas tank. So that'll be pretty cool. We're gonna get it mounted behind. So,
Yep, all right, let's get to it.
yep.
All right, first step to put the gas tank on. We gotta make sure that the gas tank is gonna be higher than the bowl of the carburetor, which Kurt's got the gas tank there. So I'm gonna slide this back on. And we're gonna go ahead and see how it's gonna look. All right.
Yeah, because we don't have a fuel pump, so it's just gonna be gravity fed, so the tank has to be just higher than the bowl of the carb.
I think something in there is gonna be, oh yeah.
That's about perfect.
Yeah, I'd say, yeah. Maybe have the spout right somewhere in here. Yeah,
Right about there.
I think that would be good.
Yeah,
As long as we get fuel, that's important.
yeah, that looks
So we
good.
gotta figure out where all these hoses are gonna end up.
Yeah, that's for sure.
All right, well,
Cool.
I think that's good.
All right, so we're working on the mounts for the gas tank. We actually have some of this T-bar, and I notched the part of the T out, so now it's not a T anymore. So we're gonna actually have two sets of these. This will go here, those will bolt. This is the strap for the gas tank. We'll leave about an inch clearance to the seat, so we'll have one here. We'll make another one over here. And between the both of those, it should hold the gas tank very nicely. All right, so we got the gas tank mounted up. Got the brackets welded on. Looks really cool. We are gonna put some shorter screws or bolts in here so they don't hit the tank, but for now that'll work. It's looking really good on the back here. Just simple T-bar coming up. Gives it a nice strong, I mean, it's really strong. All right, guys, so we're wrapping it up for the day. We have the frame rails done, we got the seat mounted, we got the fuel tank on, we even got some snow on the tires. We took it outside, got some pictures, had some fun with it.
All right, guys, I just want to take a seat here and just kind of get the feel of it. And man, you can really tell it's starting to come together now. I can't wait to do some power slides with this thing. So thanks a lot to all of our new subscribers. Man, we really appreciate you subscribing. Go ahead and hit that like button, leave us a comment. And yeah, we're coming along on this thing, man. We're really looking forward to being able to ride this thing. So if you want to check that out soon, stay tuned to our channel. Thanks a lot, guys.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video from Cracked Housing Facts.
Jeez, that music was loud. Hey guys, we've been reading the comments, and we do understand that our first couple of videos were not the best. We're working on that, and Kurt and I haven't done really a lot of video editing and putting videos together, so we're trying to learn as we go here. So bear with us, but we do read the comments, and we thanks a lot, guys, for all the suggestions and stuff like that. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. We're gonna make them better for you.